And we are here in Indian Land, South Carolina, the Crossridge development. And we are flying the DJI Mini 3. Now, is this the ultimate travel drone? I'd like to present my argument for yes. I picked mine up for $379 a few months ago, and it is under 250 grams, so it doesn't have to be registered in any country, I believe, and it will shoot 4K 30 frames per second at 48 megapixels for stills. Now, over here we have a new business going in. I'm not sure exactly what it is right down there. And another new business right next to it coming up. I haven't seen any Facebook posts on what these are, so should know by the next flight out here. And we have a chicken place called Guthrie's that just opened like 2 or 3 days ago. Right down here, coming up to Panda Express. And here's Guthrie's right down here. And I guess they serve pretty much just chicken tenders. But yeah, here they are right here. Guthrie's. So we will fly on down this way. But yeah, the DJI Mini 3, 48 megapixels for stills. And this is my go-to drone now. It used to be the DJI Mini 4K. And so like I said, I paid $379, and that included the RC remote controller with the built-in screen. And it's been a game changer for me. Now with the DJI Mini 3, it's got the rotating gimbal. If you want to shoot vertical, I don't have any use for that just yet. But it's supposed to have a flight time of up to 38 minutes. And we have OcuSync 2, where we can fly 10 kilometers or 6.2 miles. And it withstands winds up to 24 miles per hour. Now, right below me is a new school academy. It's not open just yet. I haven't heard a date, but it looks like it's getting close. But it's not going to be ready for the school year, I believe. And we are coming up to the YMCA. This is a YMCA in Indian Land, South Carolina. But yeah, so the DJI Mini 3, it can withstand winds up to 24 miles per hour. And it has a maximum speed of 36 miles an hour. Now, right now, I am flying in city mode. Another great feature, automatic takeoff, if you want to use that. And hover and return to home. I haven't used the automatic takeoff. I pretty much like taking off manually. Not familiar what the hover is. I will check into that. And return to home. I have needed that feature before. But yeah, the DJI Mini 3 is my go-to drone now. And why I think it's a great drone, the ultimate travel drone, is for two reasons. It takes good video quality, good stills, it's got great distance, and being under 250 grams, you don't have to register it. And it should be legal in pretty much any country, and if for any reason it should get confiscated, you're only out a couple $100. Now there are better drones, more expensive drones that are under 250 grams, but then you're risking more money. So here's a new amphitheater at Crossridge that we just saw, and we're gonna go fly over this new playground for kids. This whole facility has some nice dining areas, great concept, should be a great place for people in this area to hang out day or night. They've got some great plans, and this is a really good investment for this community. So up the top there's a splash pad. I really didn't know what that was. I didn't fly right over it, but that's a splash pad for children. And one new business down here is called Paris Baguette, and it's pretty much a high-end bakery. I'm gonna swing around and get a better angle on it. So we'll go down this way towards Target. I got here later than I wanted to. Sun's already set, but we have our DJI Mini 3 that performs really well in low light. So we got Target down there, and we'll go ahead and swing around. We'll come back and check out the Paris Baguette. And this is the Crossridge development and home of the INSP headquarters. So let's go ahead and fly over Paris Baguette, get a better angle on it, and we'll zoom in. But I can't say enough good things about this drone. And like I said, there are drones out there that cost a lot more and may have better features. But yeah, there's a Paris Baguette right down there, some outside dining to eat your French pastries. The DJI Mini 3. Now I've seen the price. The normal price is like $548, and I just checked, and that's what they're selling for right now. And I've seen the prices all over the place. I thought I had a great deal when it came down to $379, but I've seen it as low as like $330, and that includes the tablet with a built-in screen. The remote with the built-in screen. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and come on down now, take it in for landing. But yeah, the DJI Mini 3, the ultimate travel drone. Alright, here we go. Thanks for watching.